If you're an Amazon seller or soon to be Amazon seller, shipping in a ton of inventory to Amazon FBA, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and most efficient way to ship products off to Amazon FBA using Boxem 2D barcodes to make your shipment process a lot easier. Boxem's our brand new Amazon FBA shipment tool we made to help the Amazon community ship, prep, and process and sell through Amazon FBA inventory a lot quicker. Let's dive into Boxem and create a 2D barcode shipment step by step. So we're here inside my screen within Boxem, guys, and I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know to start using Boxem 2D barcodes as quick as possible. 2D barcodes are basically a modern barcode that we can create within Boxem for you that Amazon actually recommends high volume sellers to use, which basically you'll see when we create the shipment provides a different FBA barcode that goes on the box, specifically using the 4x6 labels right here. Right, so here within the shipment creation right here, and you can actually try Boxem for 2 weeks completely free on our website, Boxem.com. So to start out, we just want to name our shipment 2D barcode test July 2024 right here, right? Fulfillment type FBA, ship from, you can add in any address you want right here. Amazon knows some of you guys are using prep centers. Amazon knows some of you guys are using warehouses. Some of you guys are sending out inventory from home, right? You can switch around address as you see fit. Shipping method, we want to do SPD, small parcel delivery right here. Packing type, I like to do case packed. Labeling preference, I like to do seller labels. You can pay Amazon for it, but it gets a little expensive. And then box contents, we want to do those sweet 2D barcodes so we can process our inventory quicker through Boxem and tend to see faster checking times with Amazon FBA actually receiving our inventory as well. I like to also print the FBA box labels as we actually prep and box up the products. Back in the day, I would have to label all the boxes and then actually come back to them, which ended up taking a lot more time. With Boxem, we can actually, as we do the FNC labels, print the FBA box labels, in this case 2D barcodes as well, to speed up that entire process, guys, as well. I get the question all the time, where should you price your inventory when you actually list products within Boxem? I like to just use the autofill list above the buy box here. And then once that inventory actually checks in, then price it down to market to avoid any unnecessary price tanking that occasionally new sellers will make when their inventory isn't fully checked into Amazon yet, but it's actually showing on the listings right there as well. And then we can also do custom SKUs as well right here. So I like to have my buy cost input, supplier input, and date purchased input right there. So we'll go ahead and hit create shipment right here. Unlike other 2D barcode tools, you can actually list new SKUs within Boxem as well. You don't need to actually list the product through Seller Central and then come back to it 20 minutes later. We can save you a bunch of time and you can natively list new SKUs within Boxem right here. If you tried other shipment tools, you can quickly compare that our search page is significantly quicker. Right here, as we just go ahead and type in Under Armour right here, we can see new SKUs or list our existing SKUs right here. I'm going to copy and paste this ASIN in right here, and then we can go ahead and replenish an old SKU right here or create a new SKU right here as well. So just go ahead and create new SKU. You can do multiple products per box as well, multiple products in the same shipment if you want as well. We can go over to the details page right here and see everything that goes into this listing right here, and the offers tab right here and see all the different price points different sellers are listed at as well, and hit set price rare as well. We'll go back to add product right here and we can see the list price is currently 97.01. That's 20% above the FBA buy box price right there. By cost, we can customize this as we see fit, and then we'll do quantity. We'll do 20 units right here, quantity per case right there as well. And then supplier, we can customize the supplier. We'll just do test in this case. And then date purchase, we obviously want to have that correct because we're doing custom SKUs as well right here, which show our buy cost, where we've actually gotten the product to track things easier, and our date purchased here as well. And then remember, if products have expiration dates, make sure to put that in as well right here. So we'll just go ahead and hit add product right here, and we'll keep moving through the shipment process, guys. Then we can see the different details here as well, and just hit continue right here, confirm and send this request. Now we're going to actually submit that shipment data off to Amazon, and we can see shipment 1 of 1 right here. We'll go ahead and hit confirm shipment right here as well. And now we're going to be in step 3 right here. So now is the point where we're going to go ahead and do our FNC labels. So if we wanted to go ahead and print out our FNC labels to go on each product specifically right there, we just hit print FNC labels right here. And then we can go ahead and open up those guys and see them right here as well. So we just print those out, put them over the units right there on the barcodes, right? And then instead of dragging and dropping products all around like some listing tools make you do for actually creating and assigning products to boxes, all we have to do is hit bulk assign within Boxem right here, and say we wanted to do 5 units per box and 4 boxes right here. We can customize the box sizes as well and do our weights right here. We could also add in multiple boxes if we want to as well, different sizes, unit allocations different as well right here. And then instead of a bunch of dragging and dropping to assign products to boxes, all we need to do is go ahead and use bulk assign right here and hit save print box labels right here. And then now, here are those 2D barcodes that I mentioned, guys. So we can see those look different than a normal FBA box label. And we're actually printing them out right when we're doing the F and SKU labels as well in step 3. So you don't need to like go back to each box essentially, right? Instead of putting marker on the box, 20 pounds, box 7 of 8 includes this many shorts, for example, you can just go ahead and print out the 2D barcode and the box contents immediately right here as you actually do those F and SKU labels right here. So 2D barcodes, they include the box contents on that bigger barcode right there. So it just makes the shipment process a lot easier. It actually sends inventory through Boxem quicker as well. And Amazon recommends use 2D barcodes for high volume as well right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit continue right here. This is actually the part of the shipment creation process that takes the longest, ironically, is the part where we're actually submitting the data off to Amazon right here as well. So we'll basically just go ahead and wait as this goes ahead and gets in. Boom, here we go. On step 4, say you wanted to reprint the FBA box labels, we can do that right here per box. As well as if you wanted to reprint the F and SKU labels, we can do that as well right here. So there's those F and SKUs as well. And all we need to do from here is finish up. We can hit accept shipping charges right here. And then we're going to be able to go ahead and print out both the FBA box label and the shipping label, or just the UPS label right here as well. And now we can see there's that shipping label. So this one's going to Pennsylvania, for example, from our Boxem office address in Miami that I had this shipment on specifically right here. And that's the process of doing 2D barcodes, guys. So like I said, so now you got to see when people are sending out FBA shipments on social media, you can see if they're smart and they're using 2D barcodes right there, which tends to just make the process a lot easier right there. If you want to try out 2D barcodes within Boxem completely free, we do have a free 2-week trial completely free on our website. You just go to boxem.com. And if you do want the plan that includes 2D barcodes, you can try it for free for 2 weeks, and it's $65 per month after that, which is actually significantly cheaper than other tools that don't include some of the other features we're adding in Boxem, don't let you list products natively on the platform, so you have to go to Seller Central and come back to it right there. And if you guys got any questions about this entire process with 2D barcodes, or just creating Amazon FBA shipments in general, please let me know down below in the comments. Tons of good stuff coming with Boxem, tons of new features, FBM listing, analytics, review requester, tons of new stuff coming to the platform, so you can try it out completely free, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, everyone.